Hey friends, who's hungry? If you've never had hot bacon dressing, this is about to change your salad game forever. Start by adding 1 pound of chopped bacon to a large skillet over medium heat. Cook until it's crispy and golden brown, then remove the bacon with a slotted spoon and set it aside on a paper towel lined plate. Leave about 1/3 of a cup of bacon drippings in the skillet. This is where all that flavor lives. Next, add 1 small finely diced shallot or about 1/4 cup of diced onion right into the hot bacon fat. Let that cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's soft and fragrant. Now pour in 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, then add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Whisk everything together until the sugar dissolves and the dressing comes together. Season with 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Then give it a taste and adjust if needed. Simmer the dressing for a few minutes until it thickens to your desired consistency. Add the crispy bacon back into the pan and stir everything together. Pour the dressing right over fresh greens. Don't wait. This dressing is best served hot. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.